Hello, my name is Sanjay and he is my dad. He is 78 years old and we came to JP Hospital as a part of his pacemaker replacement surgery, and his implant was done in 2011 in Noida, and it was all working fine, but as a part of the end of service life, this pacemaker was replaced, and for this replacement we chose JP Hospital, and the consultant was Dr. Pradeep, and as a part of this replacement we felt that which is the best hospital or to go to, because we belong to Panposh, so obviously distance becomes very important and mobility, so hence we chosen JP, and the infrastructure was really good. So in terms of the new hospital, all the medical facilities, all the equipments, especially the Medtronic device which monitors this particular pacemaker, and as a part of the procedure we also decided in terms of which is the best doctor to go for, and we did a follow-up with Dr. Pradeep since last 2 years, and based on our interaction we found him really caring, and also he is able to understand, explain, very patient, and also making sure that he provides the personal care whenever we need. So that's why the two main factor, one is the best good doctor, and second was the good infrastructure here in Rourkela, which was not there before, at least 4 years before what we know. So when we admitted here in this hospital on 23rd, and we started looking at different parts of the services, including housekeeping, including facility management, including nursing staff. We found in all the areas the facility was really good, and the nursing care was really good. Especially I would like to call out the nursing staff here. They took care of my dad and really well, and make him really happy when he was here for his surgery. When he was anxious also, they were there with him to take care of his situation and make sure that he is motivated. And doctor was very caring, especially Pradeep, and Dr. Pradeep did his pacemaker implant, and it was successful, and we are very happy because of that. And I can easily say that if I want to give a rating in the scale of 10, I'll give 11 out of 10. One extra point for the nursing staff, they are really good and also caring from our point of view. So definitely it's a recommended hospital from our side, and we'll definitely continue to use it because we are living nearby, and also we are getting the right facility. Even if a small town like Rourkela, we are able to see it really well. So thank you so much. The initial implant was done in Noida in Metro Hospital by one of the renowned doctors. And when I compare the facility between Noida and in Metro versus JP, I've found two main difference. One difference is the nursing staff and the care, because I felt in Metro it was like a factory and they are churning out and fixing the patients, but here I felt that patients are treated like a real patient. I know that I'm calling out a big hospital there, but if I really compare human to human, I felt here more comfortable, like a home, and also my dad was very comfortable here, and we are monitoring all the facilities out here. So we felt that's the first thing. And second is the facilities here in JP is really good in terms of the newer equipments and newer facility. So that's the two main difference I saw. One is the staff and care, and second is the brand new equipments available in the tier 3 or tier 4 city like Rourkela.